Hi everyone, welcome back to Geardo. Today we will show you how to replace the LCD and touchscreen assembly on the iPad mini 4. Before starting, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. Proper heating requires iPad screen removal from the body. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets and mobile phones. On iPad devices, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the heating completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or something similar. Once the heating has completed, use a suction cup on the sides to lift the front screen. In between, insert few plastic pickers or card pry tools and cut the adhesive around. Be gentle while pulling the flex cables attached to the logic board. Next, lift the LCD screen to 45 degrees from the top and then remove the shield by undoing 4 screws and then disconnect both the LCD and touch connector plugs and the battery plug. Now the LCD unit can leave from the body. For the replacement part, we are using LCD assembly unit with the slip chip. Next, test the new screen by connecting all 3 plugs. Once the testing has passed, disconnect all 3 connector plugs. Next, take out the camera holder from the broken screen by applying a little heat, and then place it on the new screen with adhesive. Next, take out the home button assembly and the bracket from the broken screen, and then place it on the new screen by adding adhesive. Be gentle and apply a little heat and take out the flex by disconnecting the plug. Next, place the new LCD and touch assembly unit in the body by securing 3 connector plugs. Make sure the connections are secured and then add the shield by inserting 4 screws. Next, before clamping, verify the screen functionality and then secure the screen to the body by adding adhesive. If your replacement part comes without adhesive, you could use B7000 glue or new double-sided adhesive. Next, we are using screen binding clips to tie the LCD screen to the frame. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the screen replacement guide on iPad mini 4. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.